What's up, gangsters? Happy Thursday. It is 9:25. Look at that. We're actually 5 minutes early for once. And I miss you guys. Sorry we've been absent. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hopefully, like you knew. I had one of my best friend's weddings in the Keys, actually. Phenomenal wedding, man. A lot of fun. You know, a lot of love, a lot of laughs, a lot of memories, a lot of good stuff. Not a lot of trading. It's one thing there wasn't too much of. I did squeak out a couple trades here and there. It was an all right day. You know, Monday was a lot of day of travel. Tuesday, I popped the computer open for maybe a half an hour. I was considering streaming, but then there was a lot of construction happening at the Airbnb, literally right outside the condo we were living in. So, not really conducive for a good stream. But trying to digest this market here, man, I missed a couple really exciting days. Hold on, let me go over to the 1 hour. Oh, where the heck is Monday? So Monday, we did have that little gap. Sold off Monday. And sorry, I know I'm just a little bit talking to myself here, guys. Again, I got to get caught up on this thing. So, reviewing stuff that you guys already know, but actually absolutely ripper of a day. Monday. Tuesday we had this absolutely insane sell-off all day, all morning I should say. My god, who caught that? 1,000 points almost. Holy shit. Like 800 points on Tuesday. I didn't catch that on Tuesday. I sat down for a quick half an hour and I did not see that calamity happening. My goodness. And then Wednesday, during normal hours was okay, but then opened up and just fell directly off the cliff again. I mean, it seems like we're setting up to fall off the cliff again. Targets on the 1 hour, if we do, you know, coming down here to the 650s, 600s. Yeah, 650s, 600s, and then who the heck knows? Maybe 380s if we're really trying to get crazy. Hit the 500s, then 380s. Man, I wish I had seen what the morning reaction has been for the last couple days, though. Because I'd almost presume, I mean, what happens? Have you guys, has it just been selling off the second market opens? Or are we going to get some type of reaction back up, which we're kind of getting right now, a reaction back up to like the 838s, and then we push down lower. Huh. Man, I mean, definitely, as always, let's be a little cautious. Ooh, and we're trading some brand new 25K accounts today. Brand new. So 25K account challenge day one. And hopefully by next Friday, you know, that's the goal. $200 a day. Next Friday, we should have a bunch of past accounts here. But we shall see. All right, what time is it? So we have 45 seconds before market opens. Man, my presumption is we're going to rip up. I think we're going to rip up at least to the 838s. Hey, Charles, what's up, big dog? My buddy's wedding. Man, I know it's hard because I try to say it a few different times during the streams, but obviously people miss them, and I should have put a post out. But yeah, I had my one of my best friends had their wedding over the weekend, so we were down in the Florida Keys Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So yeah, unfortunately, not a lot of trading, and certainly no streaming. I should have sent that post out though. I just got a little lazy. So here we are, 9:30. Let's see if we get that reaction back up to the 840s or not. Bump up the mic volume. All right, bud. All right, so we're at -10 now. How does a -5 sound? How about this? Is -5 good? Coming down to hit the 700s. Let's see what kind of reaction we get at the 7s. Yeah, I was rewatching. Hey, what's up, Driving Obsession? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Man, yeah, just pushed down right away. Is this what it's been like the last couple days? Does it just market open and it just sledges off the cliff like this? I was almost expecting some type of reaction up to maybe like the 830s and then we'd have a sell off. But instead, here we are. We're getting a reaction back up to the 720s and 30s, but it's still looking absurdly weak. The 5-minute orb has been on fire this week. All right, man. Well, that's what we're going to try to play today. We got our brand new fresh 25K accounts that we're using today. Super excited about them. Though honestly not that excited about them because I was doing great on them. I was up 500 bucks. And then, you know, me not trading really too much the last couple of days. I had a couple just quick little base hits. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Get home, decide to sit down at the computer at like 7 o'clock last night to start trading, and I literally blew up the account out of nowhere. You know, I haven't even been trading, and first trade was just a deplorable trade, and then we convinced ourselves it was a good trade, and my goodness, we should not have traded.
Daddy?
Hi, baby.
Have grapes.
Yeah, but you got to give me just a couple minutes now, okay? Thank you. I love you. Man, came back down to tap the 860s, or 680s. My God, there's that dyslexia. I still think 650s would be in play, which we are jumping in this guy a little early here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Man, I can't even get my stop down fast enough. Real volatile morning so far. But boom, not a bad little guy. About 150 bucks. We're copy trading 5 different accounts here. Wow, look at that reaction back up. My goodness. Got in and out of that one kind of good, didn't we? So let's see, 932. Now, Charles, on your 5-minute orb strategy, what do you really try to target, man? So do you wait for basically 5-minute to form, and then do you wait for a 1-minute full candle closure outside of range to then make your trade, or do you wait for that full candle closure outside of range and then you wait for it to retrace to the midway point of orb and then you'll make the trade? There's just so many stinking different ways to you know, skin that cat. Higher lows from previous days with a 5-minute orb. So right now we're about to kiss the previous day low, 783, which we're quite stinking close to now. Amazing reaction up from 650. We're up 100 points in 2 candles. A little bit of volatility. Which again, I mean, you think that there's a lot of liquidity up here at 837s, 860s. So you think we'd want to kiss 860s, even if we want to go down. You think we'd pop up there a little bit first. Still seeing if we can break through the 780s here. We have 30 seconds left of our opening 5-minute. This opening 5-minute candle looks crazy too. Look at that thing. That wick. That wick and then just a shooting star. Hey, morning, Marco. How we doing, good sir? Good to see yous. It's good to see all the friends. Get the gang back together, you know. Get the group, get them all excited. Sorry for missing you guys the last couple days again. I was at a buddy's wedding, if we've missed it. But we were in the Florida Keys the last couple days. Man, I brought my travel setup too. I was considering streaming. I haven't been trading my best this last week. Man, I was doing great. Not that I was even trading that much. I was doing great Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I sat down. At 7 o'clock at night after driving 7 hours. I decided, you know what? With me being gone the last 3 days, now's a perfect time for me to trade. And I did terrible, and I actually ended up blowing up the account that I'd been working on for a little bit. So I hear you, man. I hear you. So Kane popped up, hit the 840s, rejected pretty hard. We're back down to the 800s. Man, if we didn't have that first 5-minute wick looking so stinking strong, I would have considered taking that short. Huh. But it's looking stronger than it's looking weaker for some just silly reason. Man, watch us target like the 923s or something like that before we go down. But she's falling, she's falling, she's falling. Shoot, Charles. So this is a huge friggin' range for a 5-minute, huh? Marco says, looking back at it, I should have been trading well. Yeah, man, hindsight is always fuck you, right? Not to swear, but yeah, hindsight is always a frustrating, finicky little girl. Oh, God. I know, same thing yesterday, man. I was so frustrated with myself yesterday. I couldn't believe when I finally packed up. Ugh. And I sat down. I went from 7 until like 9:30. It was like 2.5 hours, of trading, of just like, man, I went down. I almost blew it. And then I brought it all the way back to me just being down 150 on the day. Walked away for like 10 minutes. Came back. And I was like, all right, I got a plan to make that 150 back. It'll be nice and easy. You know, small trades, no big deal. And somehow, you know, that translated into me YOLOing like 40 micros at one time, and, you know, just doing all the stuff you know you shouldn't do. So look at this beautiful bull flag starting to pop out. So here we go for our 5-minute ORBers. I guess this is the move. The only thing that's a little concerning is kind of target would be right 870s. If it breaks 870s, then again, maybe we're going up to those 920s. Just trying to be a little bit cautious. We have one. There we go. New candle opening. Man, still blasting off, though. Look at this thing. Really squeezing those shorts out. Get a nice little FOMO entry under the books. See if we can't target the 930s here. Whoa, fuck you. TP will be 25K is what he's saying. 25K for Charles. Dang, man. I just got, man, I was doing okay on it for a sec, and then I got out pretty sad. So we're up 50 on the day, but again, we're trading 5 accounts, so 250, yay, we can make ourselves feel better. I honestly do love, I love copy trading. Copy trading makes me feel a lot better about myself, except for yesterday, because I didn't blow up 1 account, I blew up 5 accounts. Yay. The more you know. All right, she is still pushing. Pretty wild to see. You get a fresh start today. Yay. I know, right? See if we can't break through the 900s. If we break through the 900s, we should get up here to 928. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We've been kind of chasing this move for too long, though, so I don't want to stay in it for too long either. Which is why I stupidly keep getting in and out, or maybe smartly keep getting in and out, but... Jolt job openings. News at 10. Good call out, bud. Good call out. Yeah, it's getting a little too finicky. As soon as it's green again, we might just sneak out of it real quick. Ugh, hopefully it doesn't just sell down. Here's where I'm expecting to come down and retest the 5-minute. Now you tell me, Charles. Now you tell me. What the heck? Thought we were friends, Charles. Oh, God. Let me see. I got 30 seconds left. All right, we're out of it. We're out of it. We're out of it. Silly trade, silly trade. We're still up 55 on the day. Look at us, guys, cooking with gas. Do 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 do. Got the friggin' Octonaut Creature Report song stuck in my head. All right, so if we're testing the 5-minute, let's see if we can't get a retest down here to the 815s then. Little 100-point fall, maybe back down to the shelf. Shoot, man, but there we go. There's, you know, we did tap the 827s. That's nuts. I ended up getting out at 906. Man, so what is the rest of the market doing? We've actually made a decent little amount of money on Google the last couple days, and luckily I sold a bunch at after hours at 340 last night, which we're happy about since it sank all the way down to 309 this morning. Back up to 325 though. Hey, what's up, Jordan? How we doing, bud? Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, I know. At the moment, it might end up ripping. It might end up ripping higher. Man, so Jordan, what are you thinking about Jordan that's on here right now? He's really, really, really good at crypto, right? What do you think of the Bitcoin sell-off, bud? What is the target now? I heard some people now are starting to say like kind of like 60,000 for support. Other people are saying you're crazy. Now's the time to buy. What are we thinking, Jordan? So on the 5-minute, we didn't quite come back down to hit the EMA yet, which would be at 823. Starting to form just a teeny tiny little bear flag on the 1-minute here. But ES is pushing, man. Yeah, I agree. I think, let's see if we can get to push. Let's see if we can get to push. Come on. Oh, I keep forgetting we got news at 10. So we might get a little volatility soon. Come on. Ugh, still not like loving it. Man, just little guys so far. Sorry, gang. I mean, these are 10-pointers, though. I'm saying little guys, but it's still a 10-pointer. You know, I guess you can't be... I mean, these are deplorable. Look at this, though. You know, that's a 5-pointer. Yeah, not great. Still, it's like 350 on the day. So popping over though to all screens. So ES is still ripping up, though again it's kind of coming up to this you know, liquidity point here. Qs are forming a really nice bear flag. Nvidia same thing, had a lot of selling off but still showing some good strength, good wicks and everything. VIX is coming down, but it spiked pretty heavily overnight. Incredible spike this morning. ES curling back down. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? So we're kind of right at this resistance here. I mean, if we can break through it, then you would think like 960s. You know, then maybe going back up to 25,000, basically like Charles said. Let's see. I mean, it's kind of an ugly bear flag, but it's a bear flag with a whole heck of a lot of strength, right? So it definitely seems like she wants to just keep pushing, pushing, pushing. What time is it? 9:46. We got to keep remembering there's news. Keep forgetting about the news. I'm getting all stinking excited over here. Uh-oh. Man, still some good volatility, though. Charles thinking that we're even going to go higher than 25,000. Well, you can get, I guess, news, right? I didn't think about news. News could definitely pop us. Pop us either way. 25,200, says Charles. He pulled out the crystal ball. 25,200. 200. Wow, Bob, you are really... I had to zoom out far to find it. 25,180. 218. Wow. That's Wednesday. Yeah, that'd be a heck of a pop. But then again, we've had an insane drop, I guess, the last couple days, huh? Sorry for the little Blair Witch Project chart really quick. We are only 16 minutes into the day. We would probably hit 25K, says Marco. Everybody's rooting for it. Does that mean we just put on a trade? Just put it on and ride it? See if we can get a reaction back down to the 900s, then maybe. We haven't even tested the 21 yet. That would be down here at 850s. Be nice if we could get a little 21 retest. Then we could go up. Big pop already. Thing that stinks though is going long right here. Ugh. This is kind of where you'd want to go long, is at the 840s. We are seeing a lot of wicks right now. Yeah, man, a lot of stinking wicks. Here's where I kind of wanted to see it. If we get it down to 850. Ugh. But yeah, getting real wicky. Getting real wicky. Only 40 seconds left of this candle. 950 will be an important candle, I bet. Shoot, man. Again, real good reaction up. I mean, that's 50 points right there. Shoot, 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 shoot. That would have been a fun trade. 20 seconds left. Come on. Alright, here we go. Brand new 5-minute candle. Let's see what she brings us. Let's see if it pushes. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna push. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Hi puppy, I missed you. Big old chocolate bear. Oh yeah, she's pushing. She's a pushing. Shoot, man, literally 100 points basically from here. Now I'm buying at the top instead. Yep, just to come on back down. Dang, Greg, you should have been out by now. I know, man. I know. I literally should have got in here. Right? We talked about that. Hey, what's up, Trading Cowboy? There he is. What's up, big dog? I got the link open, too, if you want to enter. Enter at any time. Damn, look at that. Yeah, it came all the stinking way back down. That's literally where I was going to enter. And now instead it came down to it instead. We got a couple minutes before news. Oh, what's up, bud? I didn't even see you in here. All right, hold on. One second, gang. 1 second, gang. Nice. All right, man. I don't think we can hear you yet, though.
Good morning.
Not yet. Not yet. Well, shoot, guys. This trade's going against us a little bit. I love you, babies. I like your cool
Good morning,
shirt.
guys.
And Dad, I got a rash on my butt.
Test, test.
You do have a rash on your butt.
He goes, I hope it doesn't go to the other one. That's the best one.
Oh, no.
I said, oh, that's your favorite side?
The other
He
side's the
goes,
good
"Yeah."
side?
I got my brushing hand.
My brushing hand. Here, come on, Peanut.
Love you, Bubbles. Yeah, I gave it 2 eggs, sandwich, and everything. He's had quite a lot. I'm gonna take the runner off. Not the runner. I mean, I know it always looks weird whenever I do that, but basically I'm thinking like that was my add-on, so I took my add-on off, and now hopefully we can get back to this guy.
Have the chips and Cheetos.
Shoot, man, here it goes down again.
No, not apple chips.
Oh, and I still can't hear you either, Trading Cowboy. Oh wait, you know what?
Test, test, test.
You know what? Hold on. My computer speakers are down to nothing. All right, there we go. Now we can hear you.
Yeah, I've been talking for like 30 minutes. So.
Shoot,
Good morning,
bud.
guys.
Dude, that's too funny, man. I wonder if anybody was picking you up too. If it was picking it up on like the microphone on my end or anything. Well, shoot, man. I'm kind of stuck down here. 9:54. We got a couple more minutes until our 5-minute, and then obviously news here at 10 o'clock. I was hoping for a good little push up, but it did not work.
Yeah, you know, it was a nice little boner candle, and then I mean, you had the right idea on that candle. I entered with you I got in at 9:15 while ago and got out at 9:52. So.
Oh, okay. Nice trade, man. Nice. Yeah, I guess at this point, I'm hoping that this 5-minute candle helps me out a little bit, but it's not at the moment.
I mean, if we can see a small wick through here and then a bounce, then I think you'll be back in the money. But otherwise, when we have to go down and test 800 again.
Yeah, man. Yeah, big ranges right now, huh? So how's it been the last couple days for you? How was your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
Oh, let's not talk about Tuesday. I don't think anybody wants to talk about Tuesday.
Dang, dude.
Yesterday was pretty decent. Yesterday
Was it?
pretty decent.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I saw it looked like Tuesday. It just fell off a friggin' cliff, 1,000 points in like an hour or
Yeah.
something like that, which is what I'm friggin' sitting through right now. Good God.
and
Yeah, I
it
should
would
have gotten out of
bounce.
that.
It would bounce, and I'd wait, and I'd say, okay, here we go, we're going up, and then
Right.
it would drop, and then the next time I'd say, okay, I'm going to give it 2 more green candles, and it would give me 2 more green candles, and then I'd get in, and it'd drop again. And
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, shoot, man. Well, here we go. We're reacting a little bit off the 21 here, but it's kind of a falling knife situation, huh?
Yeah, we got the 14 and 21 right there. They're kind of crossing over right there together on a 5 minute. So
I should probably get out of this trade, huh?
8-10 is kind of our last line of defense.
Ah, I love that.
Oh, I obviously didn't make your lunch.
That's okay.
Don't know if there's anything in there for lunch.
Okay.
There are Lunchables in the fridge outside if you want to grab one of those. They're
a little
not,
Lunchable?
they're not like real Lunchables, they're like
Right.
healthier version.
Alright, love ya. Alright, what the heck's going on here, gang? What the heck is going on here? Not the good, not the good. Shoot, man, I've just been a little bit too slow lately. Like, I gotta get back into, my trading mentality.
Yeah, you didn't take your mouse with you and just practice clicking it while you were gone?
I know, right? So I did, and I ended up trading Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday just for a little bit. Yeah,
Okay.
shit, man. Here, I'm just freaking stuck in this thing. Huh. Can we get a bounce? It's 9:57. Oh, I don't want to hold it through news, though, because that would probably be a bad one instead.
Yeah, you never know. It could save you. It could finish you.
Yeah, I know it. So that was basically what happened on. Sunday night, I traded my 50K account. I made like 700 Sunday. I was happy about that. Monday,
Yeah.
I traded a little bit before we got on the road, and I made like maybe 100 across the 5 accounts for each account. Good with that. Tuesday, I ended up getting actually like 200 across all the accounts or something.
Nice.
And then Wednesday, I got like $60 across it. So I was up maybe like 600 across, each account, each 25K account. And then Wednesday, I sat back down. After 7 hours of driving, I sat down at like 7 o'clock at night. And I was like, I'll just do one, just one. And then 2.5 hours later, ended up blowing up all 5 accounts. I was like, come the fuck on, man. Because there's just so much
And that just
time.
goes to show you how easy tilting is.
Oh, I know it, man. Literally, it's just so easy. I couldn't believe it. I just literally couldn't. And this is basically, this is the mistake I made this is the mistake I made yesterday, and I'm still doing it today. Where I was in the hole like this, and then I was DCAing, and then I would DCA again, and then DCA again, and then eventually I just had a massive position that, it squirted down just 10 points and took me out.
Yeah.
So we got a minute, man. It would be so dumb to kind of hold this. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I should have gotten out.
We kind of need to wait for news, but we're kind of slowly stair-stepping.
Yeah.
7:57.
I just got to get out of this, I think. Well, shoot, I don't know at this point. Ugh. We got 40 seconds. Watch this thing just drop 100 points in my face. Well, it already has. What am I talking about? It already has. I hope this turns around. I don't want to have a moment of silence for your accounts today. I know, man. I hope it turns around too.
Hey, but we got that 100-point trade.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's just the wrong direction. All right, 10 seconds.
10 seconds, guys.
Ah, shit. Uh-oh. Which way? 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 No. Presumably coming down then, huh?
Yeah, she's trying to hold. Still indecisive. I don't know if the news actually hit the market or if anybody's read it yet.
Yeah. Nope,
Didn't
I'm
get
out.
interesting.
Shit, man. Well, that stinks, guys. Down 293. Boo. All right. You got to help us out, Trading Cowboy. Where's the setup, bud?
I don't know about that.
Where's
We'll
the
try.
setup? Huh. Yeah, 10 o'clock. Maybe is the news delayed? Because, I don't know. Maybe it's not even coming out today because of whatever. So here we are down here at 720s. Let's see if we get any reaction off the 720s, or are we just going to keep sinking?
Yeah, I mean, here was kind of the low 705s roughly this morning.
Yep.
Maybe get a little bounce there. Still got the bottom to opening 653.
Come back down to the 710s now. ES is still selling off strong.
Order filled.
We'll try one just to see if we can help out this account a little. Do 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 do. Boo 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 boo. VIX is still spiking.
Yeah, we need VIX back down under 15 so we don't have all this volatility.
Yeah. So we broke 700 so far. But we really need to crush it down. We got to break through the 680 strong. Man, ES is still just sledging off. I'm surprised that we're not going a little bit faster.
Yeah, you know, we got good support about 680, so we're trying to stay above that if the bulls want to keep playing, so.
Yep. Yeah, I'm playing this thing just a little bit too loose today, huh?
This could be a little bull trap. I'm setting up for a nice little bear flag. If the bulls can't hold it right here, then yeah, I think we go wick the lows.
Come on. Still stuck. Still stuck. Still stuck. Come on. Just thinking about it. Starting to finally think about it.
There's a good break.
Let's see.
5 seconds on this candle.
Man, I got to get back into this trading thing. God damn it. Oh, man. I had such good momentum too, man. Such good momentum. I had like 5 green days in a row until yesterday. Oh, now I'm all stinking gun shy, and then I just had this terrible trade. I mean, this is literally the worst trade of my life almost. Look at this. This is like 150 points. 150 negative point trade is absolutely insane. Damn.
Welcome back, though. That's what we had to deal with all day Tuesday.
God. Right? Wow, man. Wow. And was it just continual though, or was there like
yeah.
relief
I mean,
points?
It was one of the only days where you say, quit trying to buy the bottom.
Yeah.
I mean, but every time I'd stop, then it'd give me, 5 more green candles. I'm like, okay, yeah, it's turning around for sure now. And then
And then
I'd get in, and then
boom.
it'd say, okay, let's drop another 50 points.
Dang, dude. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I guess this is still setting up like it wants to go down.
Yeah, that previous 1 minute close below kind of the bear flag set up, and then this next one went and retested it. So nice setup to come back down 650s. But it's starting to kind of stair step, so I'm a little cautious.
Yeah. Yep.
VIX is still pushing up.
Nvidia just dropped like crazy. Q's is still, I don't know. Yeah, man, everything just looks so stinking weak.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's just not. It's not going. You know, that's the weird thing.
Right.
She's just not going. Huh. Man, again, like your stop right now, your stop would be at like 800. It'd be like a 100-point stop.
Right.
I mean, I guess you could put a stop at like 740 if you wanted to do the shorts, but. Huh.
There's a little push up, a little rejection.
All right, we're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it again. Gotta save the account. It's always the healthiest way to trade.
Okay, I like that starting candle. It pushed back up right off the bat, so if we can push through the 65.
Come on. Come on. There we go. Give us a little more, please. A little
Push through
more.
65.
Ah, shoot. Yeah, now I'm being just a little bit too tight with it. Oh, you're thinking about buying? You're thinking about going long?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I've been waiting to see if it gives me a fast wick, I'd be in long.
All right, man. Let me know as soon as you punch in a trade. Let me know.
10-4. I'm kind of watching to see if this bottom of the box is gonna hold
Yeah.
that 653 area, but we're stair stepping, so that kind of tells me the bears are having a little bit of problems. So
Yeah. Man, ES is still pushing new lows though.
a little bounce. And sold right back off, so
Ooh. Teasing ya. Teasing yas.
it is.
Just grab that shirt for
You know,
25 points, says Marco. Nice, bud.
Nice. Thanks for the call out, Marco.
Dude, Marco, right? Where was the call out? Where was the note?
Of course, I think Greg was in with you.
For a little bit I
He just
was.
got a little scared.
A little bit, yeah. Sneaked in, sneaked out. Alright, let's see if it's getting a push.
So this is kind of my little setup right here. I want to see this one kind of close, kind of a full green body right here. We got 30 seconds left. It's already pushing too high, but I like to see a full body up around 75s.
Yeah.
And I want to see that next candle just instantly retest down
Yeah.
and then a push back through. But it's already pushed a little higher than I wanted, but
Came up, tested the 9.
yeah.
9 seconds left. Every single swing low has been violated this week, so I held it to the break, the 15-minute orb. Nice, man.
Yeah, that's smart. Yeah. A little bit too much of a wick there. I'm going to try one right there just to see. Stop is going to be below 639, 635 roughly.
Alright, I'll try that with you.
If it pushes up, looking for maybe 703. I'm going to go ahead and bring my stop into profit.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, nice trade, bud. There you go. I
So
just
I'm
got
in
out
the
at
90s. Well, if it pushed me up,
All right, where's my I keep meaning to
I'm right
bring
back
the
down. And
guest
it hit my
stream, like
target.
audio, video.
All right, I couldn't get it quite up fast enough, but I tried to get it in the 90s and it didn't take it. But I think you got it in the 90s, didn't you? Did
Yeah,
you throw
correct.
it into
Yeah, I
that?
did.
Perfect. I set mine in there and it pushed it back down, so I guess it rejected it right before I got it clicked off. But
Yeah, I got the yeah, man, 68 to there it is. 69 to 88.
yeah, nice little 30 points. Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
And that's the perfect setup. I wish it wouldn't have had, I wish that green candle wouldn't have had quite such a big wick,
Yeah.
but that's kind of what I look for. Got in a little early, but I wanted to be in at the bottom of that to give myself a little better stop.
Yeah, some cushion on it.
And we're just playing the bounce. I mean, we're just playing the momentum, getting a little dead cat bounce.
Man, so now this is going to be our first full minute candle closure below the 5-minute opening range.
Yeah, so kind of what everybody's expecting. This is the 5-minute, 15-minute, everything ORB. So
Yeah.
every rinky-dink trader out there is telling you, okay, we're going to close below, and then we're going to go retest. So they're going to wait for everybody to come back up and retest the bottom of that box, and then everybody's going to try to short it. So it's kind of what you want to do, but then at the same time, sometimes that's when the market makers, the movers,
Yeah.
they go ahead and pump it through the box and let everybody stop get hit. So
Yeah.
I want to see it retest and then push back down through the 620s. Not, may not be in as early if I was shorting it, but there again, I'm a bull.
Right.
So I have to have like 20-point confirmation before I short this sucker. Then it's too late. So.
Yeah. Shoot, man. Yeah, I know. It's definitely, it seems to be freaking
Mark said
going
we're heading
right
to the
now.
600s and we were there, yeah.
My God. Right there, 608. Just kissed 608. Man, what would be the, this is the wrong screen to do that on. Oh, what would be the target underneath the sixes? 560, I guess.
I mean, the 600 was the bottom of a box a long time ago in November.
Yeah.
And then 520s.
550s.
Yeah, 558.
Shoot, man. Yeah, we're still breaking. This is crazy.
Yeah, 550. Yeah, I think that's where we're headed, Mark.
Yeah, I agree. Man, this is when I hate it. I hate it when I'm red like this, and then I start. Oh, it's just all the all the a lot more risky moves. You're like, phew, gotta start piling on a few risky ones, to see if you can't get it back real quick, and
Right.
that's what always screws you up.
Indeed, that's exactly right.
Short the low of every candle. Yeah.
Kind of back into the 80s again. So those 80s and 20s are big
80s
mental
and 20s.
stops
Yeah.
and buys for people. So may get a little reaction right here. Got a 15-minute closing in 30 seconds.
Shoot, still fucking selling. Rah.
Order filled.
Chase it down to the 550s. There we go.
There you go. There's a drop.
Still, it just doesn't equate to anything now. I need to size up now to try to save this shit back. Ugh. Man, that's where you get screwed up, right? So we made like 100 back now, but we're still down 190. Ugh. I got
That
in at
elephant's getting
643. Got out way too early, says Marco. I mean, yeah, dude, all of us, right?
But after a couple days like this, Mark, I mean, geez, if you don't trail that thing,
Yeah,
sometimes
exactly.
you get 20, 30 points up and then you don't get anything. So
You get ripped.
in seconds.
Yep.
There's the 550 bounce. Good little reaction there. Man, you just hate for it to move up 35 points on a 1 minute candle and think it's going to just keep pushing after that.
Oh, I know, man, or just all of it, or vice versa. You know, I'm always like, all right,
I mean,
you know, then now is when I
it's
should
hard
start
to take
shorting,
off.
and you know, and then you
Yeah.
hesitate.
Yeah, see, great push. Couldn't get into that in time, so
Wow, dude,
now we just got to sit
100-point
back and watch
push,
it.
100-point
Yeah.
push. You're right. Holy cheese,
Yeah, fixing to hit 100.
mac and cheese.
Wow.
So here's the bottom of our 5-minute box again. 650s. I mean, I gotta imagine this is just a reaction up to keep going back down, though, wouldn't it be? Unless the 600s was real, or 550s was the jump point. Come on, 2 seconds. Let's see what it brings. So you're considering longer or shorting right now? You're probably considering longer.
And I'm
aren't you?
really, I mean, I want to be long right here, but I'm trying to sit back because, you know, we kind of retested the bottom of the box. So in my mind, I'd have been long at 610.
Yeah.
Seems like the right play, but I just wasn't sure. Yeah, see, that'd have been perfect. Another 20, 30 points right there real quick. But
Yeah.
yeah, look at that, 40 points. You know, little gun shy, you know, took those trades every time yesterday and they worked out. But
Yeah. Yeah, man. How has it been? How's the streaming been the last couple days?
Good. You know, I didn't get on Tuesday, but you know, I lost a bunch of stuff right off the bat, so it was kind of
Yeah.
like, okay, I'm just going to go down and go to work and get my hands dirty, and so, but got on yesterday and had a pretty good session yesterday. So
Good, man. Good. Yeah, I definitely
so that was
like.
kind of the push. That was kind of the push up. We kind of got close to the 21. I'd like to see it wick through it to see continuation down maybe, but maybe we could get a nice little inversion here and keep pushing up. But
Start pushing.
I'm just saying that because I'm a bull. So
Yeah, yeah.
if it would wick through it, I'd say, okay, maybe we're going to continue down, but we still have to break that 650s.
Man, I'm almost considering doing it. I guess we're just so stinking wicky. But yeah, you could take a long up to the 21, like a 660. That'd be 40 points.
You know, I think we'd have to break that 640s.
To feel better about it.
Maybe
yeah.
we get a pullback down to 584. Maybe we don't. Maybe we're building out a little bull flag.
Man, I still can't believe I held that trade. That was so dumb. Oh. Just holding it and holding it and holding it and holding it and chatting and holding it.
You get to that point though. I mean, I was like that Tuesday, like, okay, don't look at it,
Right.
and it'll start
It'll
working.
come back.
And you
It'll
look
come
back,
back.
you're like,
It'll-
nope,
yeah, I
I'm down
know,
500
just-
more.
Ugh. Just keeps going and going and going and going and going. But yeah, it
See, I don't know
definitely
if it's
seems
trying
like
to trick me or. You ever put your hand on the trigger, then you have to take it back so you don't so you don't get in that trade.
Well, there's so many times too that I'll hover just like you are, and then my
Yeah.
hand will be on the mouse, and like my heartbeat or something like that will just like jump my finger
it.
just that little bit, and I'm like, oh fuck,
Yeah.
well, I guess I'm in, you know. And rarely has it been a good thing, you know. Rarely has it been like, oh
Right,
wow, yay,
Yeah.
that worked out. It's always been like, I guess I'm in. I'm like, ah shit, I guess I'm in. You know.
See, I like that it held the 15 there, but I wanted it to only wick halfway through that candle. But man, I mean, the chart's so small, you don't realize that,
Oh.
that's 25 points.
Oh yeah, those are big swings right there.
So
I agree. They're
we
big
usually
swings.
have our chart like this, guys.
Yeah. Literally. Yeah, still a lot of weakness, I guess.
Here's 15, 20.
VIX is still going up. Alright, I'm gonna try quick long. The second I do it, the second I say it, it curls back down, right? And I'm
I
almost
got
tempted
in
to
way
just
behind where I wanted to get in, but yeah, 26 is where I'm in roughly. Yeah, it's gonna just come right back down and stop me probably.
shit. Come on. This is the wick right here. This is the push. Come
Bring 'em
on.
back up here just a little bit.
Alright, I got out of her. Oh shit, man, I got out right when it started ripping. No. What a Greg move. What a Greg move. No.
Well, see, it wicked right to the 21 though, kind of what we were expecting, right? Now we're getting the retracement back down. All right, stopped me out too, so could have took it way more than I had, but I thought maybe we'd get that push. But
Yeah. Shoot, man. Yeah, I just got a little teaser off of it.
that's why we have to trail those right now. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, now I'm kind of thinking set up for the nice little short. I mean, if
Yeah.
it comes back and reaches 15 and rejects it, I don't know. I'll try one right there just to see. I'm going to put my stop tight just because I'm
Order filled.
and see if we can get a quick push down.
To like 560s or something. There we go. So far,
So
so
now I'm
good.
break even.
So far, so good.
Break even just in case this is a little inversion, but
Yep.
now my TP's in the 90s.
Stop filled.
I trailed it tight.
Okay.
I got 10. I got
I'm
10
out
off
of
of
that
it.
trade, but- Yeah, I mean, we got a little $200 out of it. So.
Yeah. Shoot, man. Down 150 on the day now.
And we're kind of thinking too in my mind, that 580, we had a little wick through it.
Yeah.
So maybe this is our inversion because that's what we like to do if we're going to invert back up and V-shape recover. And we're making a little W in our pattern. So
Oh, you are right, man. Sorry, I was seeing what the dog was chewing on. Little W-shaped recovery, though. See if we kind of like do a double bottom here.
So this is setting up for what I like to do as an inversion. So I want to see this candle be green, and then I want to see the next one come down and retest about half of it.
Yeah.
So
Ooh,
don't
good
leave without
push.
us.
Good push.
See, I wanted to see a bigger push down. Yeah, see, it left without us. Should have been in a little early, but
Oof.
Yeah, see, perfect conversion right there.
Yeah.
We should at least get 660 out of it, 665 maybe. Maybe not. Kind of expecting that. Kind of expect that over that wick there.
Jetty, stat.
Maybe up to that 70 area. Okay, it just wicked through that wick. So yeah, I mean, just wasn't fast enough. I was expecting it to come back down to 600 to 595.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah, man. Crazy.
But that's what I look for every time, guys. I mean, that's the ideal setup. I just wanted it to push down and wait like 2 more seconds.
Right. And then look at that push back down.
Yeah.
60 points drop
And you
back
have
down.
to trail that this last week or so.
Wow.
So now we wicked through the 21 twice. It's rejected. I'm sure there's probably a 14 or something up there that we're actually touching, but now if we can get a push through the 80s, I think maybe we'll make it back to the 550s.
Wow. Dang,
How
like
did we miss
usual.
that 65-point move?
Damn, man.
VIX is pretty much back up to HOD.
Yeah. Just kind of forming a plateau up there, too. Man, same thing with ES, just plateauing right at the bottom. Q's plateauing right at the bottom. NVIDIA is starting to curl back down. I think she's going to keep coming down. All right, I'm going to try to... I know I'm kind of FOMOing these at the last minute here, but I'm going to try to take it targeting 553. Which probably should have been a little bit quicker with it, because that's going to be a big candle for it to come back up to.
VIX is still pushing.
Come on, you stinking thing.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's just sitting there trying to trap a few bulls. There she goes.
Oh, it stopped it. Oh, man.
That elephant's getting smaller.
Kind of a disappointing day, though, man. Oh, after yesterday and then today.
But look at the push right back up.
I know it, man. Oh.
Huge push.
Man, look at that, yeah. Just
Okay, so
50
we held
points.
those lows. So, I mean, right now it's a little bit too far down, but our 560s is our temporary low for a
Yeah.
while.
Shoot, man, it just has
right
crazy
off the
reactions
21
off this
again.
21.
Yeah, I mean, this is definitely something. I mean, we're getting 50, 60-point moves on a 1 minute candle. So
Yeah. Shoot, man. I don't know if it's a gift or a curse, but obviously still helping out my buddies, so got to get going in probably the next 10 to 15 here.
that's a gift right now.
Yeah, man. Though, again, I'm so mad at myself for being down on the day. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Man, it's such a gloomy day today, too. It's so, like, foggy out and everything. Super. I mean, luckily it's not
Is it?
super cold anymore, but...
I think we're going to be back in the 70s today, so it'll be
Wow.
a good day for us.
Nice, man. Here's our 10:30 candle in 20 seconds here. So ES broke to the downside just a little bit. Man, look at this reaction at 10:30 though.
A little crazy, isn't it? So I mean, just got in at 82.
With a
I already got
long?
my stop and profit. Yeah,
You
Let's see if
asshole,
we
you
can
gotta
just get a
tell me.
quick push. Well,
gotta
I mean, I just did it. As soon as it broke that body, I just had a buy
Yeah.
right there.
Uh-huh.
Just to
I know,
see
I
if
was
we
thinking
can get
about
that
doing it
push.
too, and then I just didn't.
There's
Ugh.
one off. Push through.
Well, not to fade you, but I'm going to see if I can't get a little reversion off that one really quick. Seems like every time
I'm
it's
gonna
hit the
go with
21,
that
it's
again.
came back down.
And I'm out.
Nice.
Okay, nice little trade. I think I made about $1,000 right there. So
Hell yeah. And then hopefully now on the opposite swing,
yeah,
on
look
the
at that.
opposite swing, we can make it on this side too. Oh, shit. You know. Oh, come on. Too tight with the stops again. Too tight with the stops again. Shoot, man. Way too tight with it. I just get so nervous because it's dancing so stinking fast and hard, you know?
So I went back in on that wick.
Fucking guy.
See if it'll hold. Up about 200 right there. Nope, coming right back down. So.
You're an animal.
Was hoping we'd just get a push through.
Yeah.
We'll stop right there and see what happens. Should have took the 250 probably. And it's out. All right, gave
Gave a little
400
back.
back.
Gave a little back. All right,
Still
well.
up 1,400 though. Hey, your short's playing out perfect now though.
Yeah, except for I just went long. Yeah.
Oh no.
Literally, I just went long.
All right, well nobody goes alone.
Because I figured we were in like this, you know, I figured we were in the same chop that, you know, we might be able to target the top of it. But now, man, it seems
Right.
like it's definitely going to hit the low. It's a bad trade now. Yeah, dude, it's right there. Oh, come on. What time is it? We need a new candle. Give us a new candle.
Trying to hold this bottom right here.
Come on. Come on. Push back up. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
And again, stopped as tight as I fucking can. Oh my god, dude. I'm
We gotta
so
ride
mad.
him, Gray. We gotta ride him. Oh, speaking to stop me, I better quit talking.
Oh, just so wiki right now, dude. So wiki. It's killing me,
come
man.
right down, and I'm out.
Killing me,
All right, I
killing
took
me.
3 down there with you, so
Yeah.
I got my 400 back anyway.
Nice. Yeah, I'm down 133 on the day now. Oh, I mean, not deplorable, but frustrating.
Okay, maybe. We'll
Think
try
I'm
one right there, just one right off that wick, just because we had that previous green candle.
Yep.
See if we can get a push up. In profit. Nope, right back down.
Ah, shit.
Had a nice push for a minute, but
Yeah, I know. Me too. So the first time that I'm like, all right, I'm not going to take the stop quick, and now I'm still stuck in it.
oh. And that's what I mean. It's either got to work instantly for me or not. I mean, it's got to be
Yeah.
a quick momentum push. There's a good push again. So I'll try one more time right there. See if we can't target the 21. See if we can get 30 points out of it maybe. Stop below the low, so stop it. 45. If it pushes up 10, 15 points, I'll set it into profit.
Yeah. Boom.
Order
Just a
filled.
little push.
Nice, man. Good push
Even.
up. There you go. I'm out on that
Right
one.
back down there.
I got out at 90,
Yep.
72 to 90. That was a good one.
So it was a hair high.
All
Had it
right.
at 98, and it hit 95.
Nice. Well, I'm only down 98 on the day now. There we go.
Hey.
Sheesh. Oh shoot, man. Well, I gotta get my trading legs back underneath me. I need my sea legs. Damn
Yeah,
it,
take your
man.
mouse and put it in your pocket today, and every time you're free, just click it.
Jesus, man. I know it, literally. Or the exact opposite. Just start putting a shock collar on me. Every time I click the button, it shocks me, you know? So you have to be sure. You have to be sure about which one you're going for, you know?
I watched a guy yesterday. It's pretty funny. He said the way he became successful is in his mind. He said, okay, I'm going to enter the trade here, and I'm going to put my stop loss right here,
Yeah.
and I'm going to put my take profit right here. And he said, you mentally do that, and then where you put your stop loss,
Is where
that's
you
where you
enter
go
the...
for your entry.
Yep. I was in a Discord that actually told me that one time too. It was like, for all you new people, wherever you're gonna put your stop loss, have that be your entry point. And it's like, wow.
And that's so true. I mean,
Yeah, 100%. Well, shoot, man. Yeah, I should really
we
walk.
keep wicking to the top. Kind of makes me think we want to pop a little bit, but
Yeah, it looks like
a
VIX
lot of
is.
people see that as rejection, but I see it as that's where it wants to go. But
Yeah, it looks like VIX is getting a little weaker.
I'm gonna take two right there. Probably not gonna get the pop I wanted now. One there.
Order filled.
Set a stop. See if it'll push through. Too weak.
It's
Come
getting
on,
there.
there it is.
There it is.
Okay.
Nice call
Yeah.
out, man. Real
Nice little
good call
500
out.
bucks.
Yep. Real good
Another
call
400
out.
for past that eval.
You just passed the eval?
We'll need about 480 more. 470.
Nice, dude. Fuck me, man. I don't know. I don't get it, you know? My
It's
sizing
just,
is...
this is my setup though. I mean, this green candle, I want this one to retrace half of it. It went a little farther, so it kind of got me. I usually don't. Well, I used to buy it halfway. I've been doing it here lately because it makes my stop a little closer if it wicks through.
Right.
But usually I let it wick halfway and I put my entry right at the 580 is where it would enter.
So, because you
Same with
saw the 3 wicks before it or something like that, and then you saw a body pushing into the wicks.
Yeah, I mean, so we have these 3 wicks. A lot of people say, oh, every time it went up there, it rejected, right? That's what everybody says.
Yeah.
Well, I see it as the price pushed, it pushed higher, it came down, it built all this momentum. So below, 68 is kind of our support area.
Yep.
So when this one pushed back through it, this and it came back up and tell me, okay, here's our strength. So if this one can push back halfway and come back up, so my entry should have been 580.
Yeah.
I would have let it push through, take my buy, and just push straight up.
Yeah.
Because if it doesn't come back up to that body, then it was just going to keep going lower. So that's the safer play. I bought it a little early, but that's what I look for every time. And then you look at the next candle. It did the same thing. We had a full body. This one came and opened and came right back down halfway.
Yep.
And then pushed right back through it.
Yeah. And now it's just
So-
rocket shipping, man. Look at this
Yeah.
friggin'
And I look
pump.
for those plays just over and over and over again, and that's the play I focus on.
That's a friggin' rocket ship now. Came all the way up here to the 670s. Man. Shoot, man. Yeah, beautiful trade right there. Not bad at all. Darn it, man. As much as I would love to hang around, I really got to get going now. That 1040. Ugh. And I feel bad too, right? Because I haven't been helping him out the last couple days either. So it's like, it's always such a gift and a curse of like me wanting to sit here way longer, But then at the same time, like, oh shit, then you got to get over here.
Right,
I feel
right.
bad that he's doing all this stuff now. And yeah, it's funny. Man, unless you see anything on the way out here.
No, I mean, I would set my entry at 67, maybe 68, because I don't really trust that candle.
Yeah.
But I don't. We had such a big push. I think we're gonna get
There's,
a big pullback
right.
close to the 20. Well, yeah, right there. There you go. Right to the 21 roughly, and then. So now we're kind of expecting 605 to hold. Maybe a wick through 600 to clean that up a little, but there again, you look at that previous candle. What did they talk about all last week?
Right.
Not a really wick down, so it had to come fix that candle real quick. And sure enough, that's what it did.
Wow. All right.
Order filled.
Last trade real quick. Let's see if we can just get a really quick push down here. Come on. I want it to kind of come at least down to the 20s, hopefully. But yeah, it's building up strength. Watch. Longs would have been the smarter play.
Yeah, I mean, we're starting to get those wicks down, but yeah. Which it would be pretty unusual right here if it does pop back up, because we had this big move. I mean, 64.
Yeah,
We had a
I'd be able to,
100-point move.
thought I'd be able to
We kind
squeeze
of
something
pull
out
back
of it.
down, back to the 20s. And when it makes this candle, I mean, when it's going, what is that, 28 points, 25 points, I mean, it's sitting there just hitting everybody's stop. Just
Yeah,
bang, bang,
just
bang.
bang, 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 and there's mine.
Stop filled.
Fuck me. Yeah, strength was the way, man.
Yeah, I mean, that was a super push. Bulls in control.
Yeah. Shoot, 164. Oh man, it's always so hard to just be like, all right, let's walk away. Fuck me, dude. Every single time. Every single time.
Yeah, that's the competitive nature we have, though. I mean,
Yeah. Shoot, man. Yeah, blasted all the way up here to the 700s. Next, I guess, would be
Yeah.
the you'd expect like that 720 push almost, maybe. Alright, we expecting any type of rejection here? Yeah, I'm just trying to be silly with my trades in the last second here. This is exactly what I did yesterday. Do you think
I would
up?
still expect a little pullback, but
Yeah, you'd think, right? But it's still showing strength at the same time, which is kind of nuts.
Order filled.
Alright, come on, you bastard. Give me something. Give me something. Something better than that, though.
come on, push for him.
Stop filled.
There you go.
I don't know, 140. Yeah, it's one of those things. I just, you know. Man, well, first day back, an interesting day back, an exciting day back, kind of a frustrating day back. Son of a bitch. Down 140. Got to make sure we don't come back to this computer tonight. Tomorrow,
Right, yeah.
we'll log
That's the
on.
big key. That's the big key.
Right. We're going to have a great day tomorrow. Man, yeah, look at the
That is the
strength
big
now,
key.
man. Well, and you called it out too. I mean, what was it now? An hour ago, talking about W-shaped recovery. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Yeah,
And now
kind
we're
of
just-
nailed it right on the money. You know, we got some on the 5-minute. We got some EMAs right here we're trying to get through.
Yeah. I mean, VIX is coming down pretty darn nice. Nvidia's going up. ES is going up. Qs are going up. Everything's kind of at the shelf, though. Everything's kind of at the shelf where you're right. It makes sense for it to maybe pull back a little bit and then keep going up.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily like this is an immediate, you can jump in play. Well, shoot.
I took the short there, so
You took the short? You're in the short right now?
never mind. It just stopped me out. Jeez, oh, Pete, I shouldn't have said nothing. I was up 200.
You got me all excited. You should have told me.
Oh man.
Now
I took
here
it at the top of that candle at 90,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. I mean, shoot, right there. It's starting to go.
put my stop right into profit. Should have held it, but
Let's see how it reacts to 650 here.
yeah, that's kind of the bottom of our box.
Still breaking through.
I'm gonna try one, just one right there.
Yep.
Just one.
Order filled.
Yeah. Let's get it, buddy.
Gonna start trailing it, maybe. No, I'm not. Oh, come on. I want to get right back in. Hold on. I'm back in.
Uh-oh. Little reaction down.
Stop below 590 probably. Come on. We still believe.
You just gotta believe.
Order filled.
Alright.
Oh. Give us a push. If I get back to green, I'm probably just going to exit Greg. It's looking pretty weak. Kind of expect a nice little push, but come on. She ran out of juice, I think.
Yeah.
Come on, push for us. One's out.
So stinking close, man.
Oh, and that one's out. So not as good as we wanted. Made $200, I guess, but kind of had to bail ourselves out. I think we're still
Yeah.
going to get that push. We're kind of building a little bit of a bear flag. I don't like how weak it's looking, but
Yeah, I know it. Shoot, man. I was green for a sec. I didn't take it yet. I probably should have. Oh yeah, ES is looking real weak right now too. Let's see if I can get it off
here's a
on this
big
one.
push right here. Big push. Come on. Give Greg that boner candle to the upside.
Come on, no, it's breaking now. Shit, this isn't gonna be good.
Push for us. Come on.
Shoot. It's gonna sink. Shit. Yeah, shit.
Ah,
Ah. Shit. Yeah, shoot. Well, there it goes. Nope, no relief. Darn it, was hoping for a little relief point there too. Now it's 1050. so, son of a bitch. We're down 100. Now we're down 250 because I'm stubborn as shit. I didn't walk away when I was supposed to. God damn it.
well, I went back in with you at the bottom there, so
You back in?
yeah.
What are you targeting?
Well, I
I don't
should have
know.
got out, but I'm actually just going to try to target to close this at 53,000.
Well, here we got a new
Dadgummit.
1050. Oh, we're about to hit 1050. We're about to have our 1050 candle. Ooh. Got 5 seconds left to hopefully save us.
Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Push. There
Need
you
some
go.
more though, please.
There you go.
Yeah, shit.
I'll ride it with you. Push. And I'm stopped.
Yeah, me
Hey, all
too.
right. 53,265. Passed the little Apex account right there.
Yo, buddy. Yo.
Right here. Sink or swim, guys.
Look at that. Live on the YouTube. Live on the YouTube. Another one passed.
Yeah,
Son
good
of a
news.
gun.
Yeah, that thing is bearish.
Yeah. Man, I can't believe that. Here I am down 194. I gotta change up my sizing and stuff like that. All right, tomorrow's a new day. I definitely gotta get going. I appreciate the hell out of you guys. We're finally back at it. You know, I'm back from my buddy's wedding, so we'll be here again tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, same thing. It'll be a shorter day. We try to get out of here around like 10:40 ish. You know, but love you guys to death. Thank you so much to Trading Cowboy as well. As always, passed an eval
guys.
today
Thanks,
right
everybody,
in
for
front of you
coming.
guys live. So if you were trading his trades, there you go.
Yeah, we did it, guys.
Shoo. All right. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you later.